Hello neighbors, I'm here with the August 2022 market update looking at stats for West Portland and suburbs from July. I'm Julie Williams with Elite Real Estate, and change is in the air, and the terms shift and correction are being used when referring to our market a lot right now. And on that note, I believe that consumer sentiment is being driven by the media. Many buyers are a little skittish right now. Buyer demand has slowed a bit as higher mortgage rates have made it more expensive to buy a home. For those buyers who still have the means and the desire to purchase, it's great to have the opportunity to land that dream home with less competition. But some buyers are feeling skittish after they've finally gotten into contract on a home. Buyers who didn't have to give away the farm to get into contract are taking advantage of their contingencies. So things like repair credits are becoming much more common. And having a master certified negotiation expert like myself on your side can save you thousands. For sellers, pricing your home right is key again. According to Altos reports for the Portland area, which looks at live listings, nearly half of all listings have had price reductions, and 35% is considered a neutral market. But Altos reports confirm that it is still a strong seller's market. So is it a good time to sell? Well, just because we're not in a crazy hot bidding war market doesn't mean that it isn't a seller's market. Market times and inventory are still low compared to long-term averages, and you'll be able to take advantage of the big run-up in prices that we experienced over the last couple of years if you sell now. Assuming you've owned your home for a few years, you likely have lots and lots of equity. Here are the July month-end stats. Inventory is at 2 months, which is a big increase from last month's 1.4 months, but it's still much lower than normal. For the 20 years pre-pandemic, I calculated the average inventory to be about 4.4 months. Here are the July month-end averages. The overall Portland market was up a smidge, but pretty flat at an average sales price of $635,700. July pending sales were down 27.1% from 2021, and closed sales were down 31.1% from 2021. Looking at average prices on the west side, Beaverton Aloha comes in at $560,900 with 13 days on market. Hillsboro Forest Grove at $612,700 with 23 days on market. Tigard Tualatin Wilsonville Sherwood at $641,300 with 14 days on market. West Portland comes in at $774,600 with 36 days on market. Northwest Washington County comes in at $783,800 with 13 days on market. Lake Oswego Westland leading the pack as usual at $1,029,100 with 15 days on market. So all Westside areas had slightly lower prices except for West Portland, which was exactly the same, and Hillsboro was up a little bit in July. Thank you for watching. If you are considering buying or selling and want to know more, please reach out at no cost or risk for a hassle-free strategy session. I'm Julie Williams, Principal Broker with Elite Real Estate, and I look forward to hearing from you.